Okay, so we are bringing science demos for you to do at home with your kids and your students. The first one is going to be a super one using Bernoulli's principle. Just like using this piece of paper, if I blow over the top and increase the speed, by increasing that speed, I'm going to decrease the pressure on the top of the paper. That means the pressure below is increased, lifting that paper. We are going to use the same principle today with our kids with newspaper bags. So I want you to get some newspaper bags here, and you can see what we did is we took 3 newspaper bags and we taped them together. So we kept one closed and we have 3 bags together taped with one end that is open. So I'm going to go ahead and switch with my daughter so that way she can go ahead and demonstrate how this is going to work. Okay?
Yeah.
So go ahead and grab that.
I did it on pause.
Yep, we're fine. Stand over here.
Alright.
Okay.
How do I
So
blow
what
up?
we're going to do is, if I asked Ava right now to do this, the same principle, if I ask her to try to just blow in the plastic bags with it up to her mouth, say, Ava, go ahead and try to blow that whole thing up. Blow it up. Okay, you can kind of see it's flattening, that sort of thing. So this is Ava. Say hi, Ava.
Hi.
Great. And what I'm going to ask the students to do first is, now that we have this tube of paper bags together, I'm going to ask Ava, go ahead and try to blow up this bag of paper bag or plastic bag. Come on, blow! Okay, she is blowing with all her might, and she is trying to blow up this plastic bag, and it is not working. So now, what I want you to do with your students is try to challenge them, and just like I did with the paper, use Bernoulli's principle. We want to go ahead and increase speed, right, by decreasing pressure so we can lift it. So the trick of this one is, and you can bring it to your students, is we want to actually hold the opening away from our mouth. So Ava, I'm going to actually have you turn to the side while you're doing this. How about the other way? Okay, and I'm going to go ahead and grab this end for you. You're going to hold it away. Now take a nice steady breath and blow. And now she's able to blow up that entire bag. Awesome. Try one more time. Hold it away. And now she's able to fill it up. So I would challenge you to, once your students are doing this, how many bags can they put together to blow that up with a single breath, and then have them go ahead and explain or write or type to you how the Bernoulli's principle is making that work. Have fun. Say bye, Ava. Say we'll see you soon with another one.
See you soon.